tear their ass up. Simple as that.
Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and we're finally back with another video, the first video for 2022, and today we're going to be doing something special to the S15. Alright guys, so I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded in such a long time. Life's just been pretty crazy recently, and I have been working on some things for the channel. The alarm's going off. I have been working on some things for the channel and for, you know, ThatCarLife behind the scenes, you know, such as something like this, which, yeah, I've been a bit busy with that, but don't worry, I am going to get back into the weekly uploads this year, and I really want to go hard with the content, and I've got so many crazy good ideas and stuff that I want to really put onto the channel and implement, and so many good things happening to the Sylvia, and it's going to be a crazy year for ThatCarLife, and I can't wait to share it all with you guys. Oh yeah, and just quickly, if you guys would be interested in something like this, you know, a kind of shirt design, something like that to support the channel, let me know in the comments down below, or shoot me a message if this would be something you're interested in. We do a few other designs that I'm sure you've seen on the channel before that we're looking at. So if you guys are keen on, yeah, maybe picking up a shirt, let me know if you guys would be down for that. And yeah, I'll try and speed up the process, but yeah, we'll get into the video. Alright, so the S15 hasn't really changed much since the last time you guys saw it. So the last video on this car, we took the S15 to Eastern Creek, and yeah, as you can see by the title of the video, the drift event didn't really go as planned, but yeah, the car hasn't really changed. Its front lip I just took off completely, as you guys saw in the video. So yeah, the car has been running without a front lip for a while. Other than that, nothing's really changed. But I do have some special plans, you know, for this car that are coming very, very soon. And let me just say, the car is going to look completely different. On every way that you look at the car, it's going to look different. And I'm so excited, and I just can't wait to, yeah, do it to the car and to show you guys as well. So yeah, very, very soon there's going to be some massive changes. But for today, what we have in store is we have a roof spoiler for the S15. All right, so this roof spoiler, literally, as it says in the name, it's a roof spoiler, but I mean, it says roof spoiler, but you put it on the rear window. But anyway, okay, so yeah, so this is gonna go on the rear window like this. I'm planning on going down to Super Cheap now. We're gonna get some Sikaflex, and we're gonna pick up that ThatCarLife support on the way, and we'll take you guys along for the drive as well. I think that'll be a bit fun. So yeah, so we're gonna put this on, and big shout out to my boy Dasky for painting this for me. I'll put his Instagram right here in the video, so you guys can check him out for any paint work. He's also painted a few other cheeky things for me as well that I'm not going to tell you guys about yet. Part of the big surprises that are coming soon for this car. But so yeah, if you guys want some of your parts painted, definitely check out Dasky. I'll put his link in the description as well. I literally can't get over how good the S15 looks already. Just the white wheels have really transformed it, but yeah, I can't wait for the special mods that I have coming. It's going to look even better than this. Alright guys, so the plan is we're going to go down to Super Cheap, get some Sikaflex. We're going to pick up that ThatCarLife support on the way so she can do some supporting, as always, doing her job. And yeah, we'll take you guys along for the ride. So let's start up the S15. The immobilizer, of course. There we go. Yeah, you guys might be able to spot the Lancer in the distance with a little roof spoiler. I've done a couple little things to it that I didn't film, unfortunately. But yeah, I've got to show you guys that as well. By the way, guys, if you see this air freshener here from Riding in Cars, check them out. I'll put their link in the description. They do car apparel as well as these. Yeah, really good company. Just started up. Show them some support. And yeah, they got some cracker air fresheners and apparel as well. I'll link them in the description as well for you guys. The sound of the S15 will never get old. Accidentally backfired on a bunch of cafe customers. Sorry guys, my GoPro mount's a bit broken, so the GoPro is a little bit loose, so the camera angle may change a little bit, but yeah, I've got to get a new one. So yeah, please bear with me if the camera angle's a little bit how you're going and changes. So fun. how fun this car's gonna be when I actually do, you know, the engine work that I want to do to it. Because yeah, as I said in one of my previous videos, I really want to get this car tuned, you know, bigger turbo, injectors, fuel pump, all that stuff. But you know, I really want to get the outside of the car finished first. So yeah, after I get the outside sorted with, you know, the things that I want to do to it, then I'm going to start looking into, you know, some engine work. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to tell you as well, I'm low-key getting a bit sick of the straight pipe. Now, like the straight pipe, don't get me wrong, it's really loud and it can sound really good, but I feel like the straight pipe sounds a lot better in the high revs, but down low it just sounds like, I feel like it does sound kind of like tractory and farty. Like if you listen to it like a little low, down low rev, like, I don't know, it can be a little bit farty. But yeah, in the high revs, don't get me wrong, it sounds mad. But yeah, I'm thinking of putting a resonator in the S15 just to hear how it sounds. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. But let me know down below if you think I should put a resonator in or just leave it straight pipe. But it's been straight pipe for like 2 years, so I don't know. Alright guys, so we just picked up ThatCarLife support and we're on the way down to Super Cheap. And yeah, we're gonna grab our parts and then head back home and chuck everything on. But yeah. That's as close to a POV you guys are getting today. Alright guys, so back home we've got ThatCarLife support and the S15 here and everything that we need to install the roof spoiler. So I've got some wax and grease remover to clean the surface of the window to get everything stuck on just fine. We've obviously got the Sikaflex there to yeah, stick it down, and I've also got some tape here just so I can tape it down and hold it in that position so it can, you know, the Sikaflex can dry and the roof spoiler can hold there. So I'm so keen. So as you guys may know, the S15 actually used to have a roof spoiler exactly like this back in the day, right there on the window. ThatCarLife support ruining the shots as always. So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, the S15 did used to have a roof spoiler exactly like this, but as you guys may know, the car got broken into like 2 years ago now, I think. And this was one of the things they took, and I never really ended up getting it replaced until now. So having this back on the car is gonna be, yeah, kind of a special thing for me as well, because yeah, it's been long overdue to put this back on the car. All right, so we're just gonna wax and grease remover the window. Let's give that a wipe. ThatCarLife support doing their job. Love to see it. Wow, doing such a good job. Should I start paying you?
You already paid me. Where's my coffee?
To be honest, I don't even get paid by YouTube yet, because that's a whole different story. Like, if anyone knows anything about Google AdSense and like has a, oh wow.
Whoever can help him, this is your reward.
Yeah, if anyone knows anyone from Google AdSense that can help me out, I'm having so many issues getting my account sorted and shit. I'm literally not even getting like paid yet on YouTube, which is shit. But anyway, and I've been eligible for like a year, so that's a whole different story. But yeah, and I was literally on the phone with YouTube for like 45 minutes and they couldn't even figure it out. But anyway, that's a whole different story.
I find it like it's a whole different story and you tell it anyway.
It's a whole different story, but I'm just gonna like give you guys a brief thing. Yeah, but it's really pissing me off, but it doesn't matter. I'm still passionate about the videos. I love doing it. I don't care if I'm not getting paid. But yeah, that's why in the meantime, if you guys do want to support with some shirts and stuff, I am in the process of getting these made, and there is the stickers that are still available down in the store down below. But yeah, anyway, I think now that this is clean.
No, it's not.
It's not clean yet?
No.
Okay, well once this is clean, we will put some Sikaflex on the spoiler and we'll stick it down. Alright guys, so we got it Sikaflexed on and taped down as well. So this side here is just like holding down just fine with the tape. So it's sticking to the roof just fine, and yeah, it's just the tape is just enough to let the roof spoiler hold there. On the other side, it's a bit of a different story. It was actually a bit loose, so without the brick there, it was literally just hanging off. So I've had to put a towel and then just literally a brick on top of it just to force that pressure down. So yeah, that's the only way we can really get this roof spoiler to hold down and let the Sikaflex dry properly. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here for a few hours, and yeah, I'll show you guys the finished result when everything's all dried up. Hey guys, so we're back, and I actually let the Sikaflex dry overnight just to make sure that, you know, it's 100% on nice and firm, and, you know, I didn't want to drive it or risk it like falling off or anything like that, because yeah, that's like my worst nightmare. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take off the tape and we will see the final result on how it looks. Alright, so I just took all the tape off, and wow, what a difference already. The car just looks so much better. So yeah, it looks so good, and it's also nice and firm as well. Literally not moving at all, not going anywhere. So yeah, it looks perfect. Obviously just needs a bit of a clean because it's still a little bit dirty. I've got to wipe some of the tape residue off, but yeah, obviously after a good cleanup, that's all it really needs. Yeah, it's actually so good to see this back on the car because yeah, as I said, after the car got broken into, they did take my other one. So yeah, just seeing this back on the car, it does bring back a lot of memories, and yeah, it does kind of, it really does just tie in the car. I always feel like there's something missing with it gone. So yeah, just seeing it back on the car, it's a really big deal for me. So really happy. Also, a big shout out to Riding in Cars for sending me out one of their shirts. This one they sent me out, I've been wearing like all the time. So comfortable, love the design as well. It's got the RIC on the front, and I don't know if you can see on the back. Got a cool logo on the back as well. So yeah, if you guys want to show them some love, I'll put down their stuff in the comments and the description. So yeah, big shout out to you guys. All right, so I'm going to leave the video here. I'm so happy that the rear spoiler is back on the car, and yeah, it really does just tie in the car like so well. I literally can't get over it. So yeah, I'm going to get back into the regular uploads, don't worry guys. And if you guys want to see more regular content on the S15, other cars, and all kind of different content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that for more, and I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.